SWIT announced a new series of USB-C DV batteries designed primarily for Sony, Canon, and Panasonic cameras with a USB Type-C socket, which could be used to power laptops, tablets, or smartphones and can be charged by existing USB Type-C chargers. The new batteries come in 4 different models to work with Sony, Canon, and Panasonic cameras and devices. SWIT-USB-C is a 65 Wh battery Sony NP-F type to power most third-party video devices, with 12 volts D-tap and 25 watts USB-C for smartphones. SWIT-USB-C is a 90 Wh battery designed for Sony BP-U compatible cameras such as the Sony PXW-FS5 and FS7, Sony PXW-FX6 and FX9, Sony PXW-Z280 and X280, and includes a 14.4 volts D-tap and 45 watts USB-C for laptops. SWIT-USB-C is a 90 Wh battery designed for Canon cameras that use the BP-A type battery and includes a 14.4 volts D-tap and 45 watts USB-C for laptops. The battery is also compatible with the Canon original CGA20 charger and the SWIT Ultra portable 2-way D-tap charger PCU130B2, fully charged within 2 hours 40 minutes. The SWIT-PD65C is a 65 Wh battery designed for Panasonic cameras and includes a 12 volts D-tap and 25 watts USB-C for smartphones. The SWIT-USB-C and SWIT-CD-C provide high-power 45 watts USB-C that supports MacBook 13, Pro 13 and 15, ThinkPad New S2, T470, X270, Dell XPS 13, HP Spectre X360 EliteBook Folio G1, Samsung Chromebook Plus, Google Pixelbook, and the majority of the laptops with USB-C port. You can use a USB-C charger to charge the batteries. The SWIT-USB-C and SWIT-CD-C support max 45 watts charging, fully charging the battery in approximately 3 hours. The SWIT-SF65C and SWIT-PD65C support max 25 watts charging, which fully charges in 3.5 hours.